It's time, guys. Easter weekend is on its way, so let's get ready and let those bunnies play. Let's go. Book Talk Journals. We've got them, and you should check them out. Get in and challenge yourself to read more. Hey everybody, welcome back Localtarians. It is time for the Local Love Report. We're here for your Easter weekend. That's right, that's April 15th, 16th, and 17th, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we are ready to take on this challenge. Watching all those bunnies working a sweat, getting ready for the day. We're ready to go through some great events. So let's get started with Friday. 10 a.m. Easter weekend celebration at the Charles Hosmer Morse Museum of American Art. 11 a.m. 2022 Florida Film Festival going on now at Enzian Theater. Make sure that you don't miss out. It's going to be a great time. Lots of amazing films. And I can't think of a better way to spend your weekend. 5 p.m. Oviedo Night Market 2022 going on at Oviedo Brewing Company. Come on out, find the perfect gift. You know, Mom's Day is coming soon. So check it out and see if you find that perfect thing. 6 p.m. The Amity Affliction, Archetypes Collide, the Seafloor Cinema, playing live at The Social. 6:30 p.m. Brew and View Hogwarts series at Ivanhoe Park Brewing Company. Also going on at Ivanhoe at the same time, we've got the Wizarding Cosplay Meetup. And of course, that is going to coincide with watching those great movies. All going on starting at 6:30. Make sure you check it out for yourself. 7 p.m. on Friday, Dubbist at West End Trading Company. Come on out and support some of your local musicians, guys. Always great music in this town every single night, but this weekend's going to be something special, so make sure you check it out. 8 p.m. Nuclear Fallout at A Sound Garden by Hanau Contemporary Center. All right, guys, lots of good stuff going on. If you've never been out to Hanau, they always have an amazing lineup of people, great music. It is just a fun environment to check out. So make sure you stop in and let them know that Local Love said hey. 8 p.m. Bengali 600 Leisure Chief DJ Pete Bones at Will's Pub Orlando. $12 to $15 to get you in. Get in there, enjoy some of our great local musicians, and a really awesome place. Great beers, amazing craft cocktails. You really can't go wrong hanging out at Will's. And 9 p.m., Jasmine Kennedy from RuPaul's Drag Race Season 14 at Southern Nights Orlando. Come on out and let them know what you think. Going to be a great time watching the show. All right, guys, make sure if you're not done this weekend and you want even more, we've got it for you. You go on over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. We put up a new daily event post right there at the top of our page every single day. So make sure that you don't skip out on checking that. And of course, let us know if you have any events going on. We're always happy to help promote those. Make sure you keep an eye out on all of our new things. We've got the Eat Right Food and Fitness journals and our coloring books and other notebooks, so keep an eye out for that. Make sure you ring the bell, guys, so you don't miss any of our great videos. We do upload 3 times a week. Now let's get on into the heat. The weekend heat is Saturday. 8 a.m. Autism Society of Greater Orlando Autism Walk-In Family Fun Day at Orange County Convention Center. $20 for adults, $10 for kids. Come on out and support this great cause. 9 a.m. Hippity Hop Adventure at Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens. $15.95 and up to get into this great time at the zoo. Get out there and have a little fun with the animals and kick off your Easter weekend just right. 9 a.m. Easter egg hunt at Albert Park. Grab the kids and come on out and find those eggs. 11 a.m. on Saturday, Urban Shaman Music Festival at I Love Valhalla. $30 to get you in. Come on out to Chileota and enjoy this amazing festival. Going to be a lot of fun, very spiritual, great music. So make sure you get out there. Let them know that Local Love sent you their way. 11:30 a.m. Oviedo Mall Easter egg hunt. Come on out to the mall in the air conditioning and fun and find some eggs with the kids. Should be a great time for everybody this Easter. 12 p.m. on Saturday, Orlando Taco and Margarita Festival at Camping World Stadium. $12 and up. And enjoy this fiesta. All right, guys, 5 p.m. Breeze the Day party at Mango's Tropical Cafe on International Drive. $10 to enjoy this fun. Going to be lots of great stuff going on. Music is always a plus. So come on out and enjoy a little Mango's style fun. 7 p.m. 152 Productions presents Villains and Virtues. Traversing Infinity. Mason Pace, Sick Hot, and more at Haven Lounge. All right, guys, that is a lot of great people playing in a great place, so make sure that you don't miss out on a wonderful night of music. 9 p.m. on Saturday, Flostradamus, Golden Child, Flow Zone, Protocolor, at the Vanguard, $9.99 and up, and you can come out and get your groove on with these great musicians. Don't worry, guys, there's even more fun out there. Don't miss out. Lots of celebrations, lots of Easter time fun. Just make sure you check our daily event post for the full list of events every single day. Guys, do you have events? Are you a musician? Are you a local business? Do you have something going on? Maybe you're a comedian or you do poetry. Whatever your gig is, let us know. We want to help support you. So if you run a local show or you have a local business, let us know all about it so that we can share it with everybody all around and let them know that they need to check it out. All right, guys. So let's get into it. Make sure you support your local small businesses, guys. It's definitely a big part of these great holiday weekends. So check out what they're doing too. But in the meantime, let's get into Easter Sunday. All right, guys, 9 a.m. City Place Church Easter egg hunt with 10,000 eggs. Come on out, get your baskets ready, and go find you some of those eggs. That's a lot, guys. So get out there and enjoy a great day of hunting. 10:30 a.m. Easter egg extravaganza at Island H2O Water Park. $44.99 and up. Their annual Easter egg hunt is on, baby, and it's featuring wonderful prizes, including everything from food and beverage to merchandise, park tickets, and so much more. This will be going on until April 17th. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you should check it out. 11 a.m. The International Food on Wheels Festival going on at Lake Eola Park. Oh, you know we love our food trucks in this city, guys. This free event will be there to entice you with lots of great eats, lots to drink, and lots of fun. So get out there, walk around that lake, and have yourself a blast. See you there. 1 p.m. Bazaar Botanica Earth Day Birthday at Ivanhoe Park Brewing Company. This is a free event. Come on out. They always have the most amazing things at the Bazaar Botanica. So definitely check it out if you're into oddities or unique items. They're going to have some great vintage stuff too, so don't miss out. 2 p.m. Bear Bard, Henry IV Part 2 at Orlando Shakes. $22 and up, and it'll be going on until April 24th, so come on out and support our local theater. 3 p.m. on Sunday, 4th Annual Kittyland Easter Egg Hunt at Ocoee Central Park. Come on out with the kids and have a lovely time finding those beautiful eggs, and it will be a great day in the park. 5:30 p.m. Disney's Freaky Friday, the musical, 1-act edition, going on at Orlando Repertory Theater. $15 to $35 for the kids to come out and enjoy this great musical. 7:30 p.m. on Sunday, Zeta, The Pauses, E-Turn, Strange Attractor at Will's Pub. $12 will get you in to this great show. Let me tell you guys, amazing artists right here. These guys are wonderful. E-Turn, absolutely amazing. We all know about The Pauses, so make sure you get out to this show. It's going to be a good one. 7:30, Wordplay, Authentic Selves, Poetry Reading, and Open Mic at Temecula Arts Foundation. And last but not least, for your weekend and your Sunday night, 8:45 p.m., Wax and Wayne 29 with Alien Witch at Grumpy's Underground Eatery and Lounge. Wow, guys, so much going on this Easter weekend. And of course, as I said, make sure you go to the Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page for even more. Make sure you check out our beautiful Copying Full Color coloring book as well. This could be a great way to spend your Easter, or maybe it'd make a great gift. So check it out and see what you think. Lots of relaxing designs. All right, guys, drop us a comment. Let us know what you thought about the Local Love Report or anything going on here at Local Love. Make sure you follow us on all of our platforms, and here's how you can reach us. And peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.